Om Namah Shivaya, children. In your chapter Save the Environment, this is your last video. In this, we'll getting to know about the waste management. Before getting into it, we'll come across two words, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Children, biodegradable are materials or things that can be broken down or degraded by natural processes like paper, rotten vegetables, etc. And non-biodegradable are waste things that cannot be broken down. Now see children, I'll give you a very simple example so that you will understand what is a biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Take two pots filled with soil. In one pot, you put certain peels of vegetables, some papers, and in another pot, put some plastic bag and or a small plastic spoon. You will see after 15 to 20 days or after 1 month, the pot that you have kept with certain peel of vegetables will mix up with the soil. But in the other pot where you have kept the plastic spoon, you will see it has remained as it is. So from this, the vegetable peel that got mixed up with the soil is the biodegradable, and the other pot where the plastic couldn't mix up with the soil is the non-biodegradable. Next is waste management. Now in order to have no pollution in our environment, it is very essential to manage the waste materials. Now there are two types, as I told, biodegradable and non-biodegradable products. Now to understand or to utilize the waste or to have a proper waste management, we should understand 3 R, that are the reduce, reuse and recycle. They are the reduce, reuse and recycle. We should reduce the things or we should less use of something. Reuse are which we can again and again use it. And what is recycle? Sorting the trash so someone can use again. Something which we have finished using it but somebody else can use it is recycle. Here are certain more examples. Reduce, as I told, the amount of waste done by us is reduced. Recycle, what we can do is the recycle the waste materials. Then reuse, use of product several times, repeatedly or again and again. Now in the example over in the right side, you can see reduce by less buying less thing. Now see, we have lot of books, we have pencil box, we have water bottles, but still we say our parents that no, we need a new one. They get it for us. But if we already have it, so without buying we can reduce that use. So that is how we can reduce, by buying less things already which we have. We should not urge for it. Reuse, drink from bottles that can be used again each day. Now yes children, like you drink a bottle of juice or a bottle of cold drinks, what you can do after finishing that, you can keep that in your home to store water from your aquaguard. You can keep water in that and keep it in your freezer. So that is how we can reuse. And how can we recycle? Now put paper into a recycle bin, so it can be made into new paper. Or else what, see children, recycle is one more thing. I'll give you example. There are so many clothes which you don't wear, either it is not fitting you or it has gone torn off. So what we can do, we can ask our mother to cut it and to stitch it to make floor mats. So that is how we can recycle a product. So children, this was all about your chapter Save the Environment, where we got to know about the pollution and how can we manage the waste material to save our environment for harmful pollutions. After seeing all the videos, I'll give you your exercise work in WhatsApp and we'll move on to a new chapter. Till then, thank you.